I send him thousands of US dollars to buy the vehicle. Remember, I never meet him, I just deposit the money in their account.
Get my leadership upstairs. I'm going to the airport right now.
It's like 4:46 in the morning.
We're in Jamaica.
Okay guys, welcome to another video. It's your boy O&Dan, and you guys see the title of this video. A lot of you know I moved from America when I was 20, so practically I've been living here for a while, 16-17 years, something like that, you see me. But I love my country. You know, last year I go down maybe like 6-7 times to Jamaica. Love it down there. I have my family down there and everything. So basically, too often I go to Jamaica. I think it was sometime last year, that 2023, when I see how much money I spent on a rental car. I say, wow, sometimes $700, sometimes $1,000 for like a week. 1,000 US I'm talking about. I know I have to continue to go to Jamaica. I said to myself, so you know what? I'm going to save and I'm going to buy a car in Jamaica. The process was easy, but I didn't have no links, nothing. Big up yourself, top man them are. You see me linking me and him talk, one of my close friend. And I say, yo, you don't know nobody who can ship a car from Japan to Jamaica, because I didn't want to buy a car in Jamaica. You see me? I know I can get it on a deal if I ship it from Japan to Jamaica. And I talk to him and he say, yeah man. He say, when I'm dog going to go school with, do it. You understand? So I say, yeah, well, give me the link. As soon as the phone hang up, but send me the contact. And I tell you, from a meet Ian, pure people in the world. I will tell them straight. There's good people in the world. No make nobody mess up on the mind, say everybody wicked. Up to now, you see me never meet Ian in person, but I tell you, say the connection where we have, you see me, it's like me and him are like the same thing. You see me and him start reasoning, and I tell him what I want to do, and he say, yeah man, I can help you man, because from you and them are, boy, I got you. Anyway, I send him thousands of US dollars to buy the vehicle. Remember, I never meet him, I just deposit the money in their account. I know say a lot of you know say, well, O&Dan you're brave, but at the end of the day, in a business, when you want to go, you have to take risk. And the vibes where Ian give me from day one, pure individual. He might come from good home. He's a businessman in Jamaica. He educated. Me follow my guts, you understand? So I go so back and send him money, and he start the process. He send me some picture and tell me how much them I go for. And I see a car I really like, and I say, yo, I don't want him more. I don't want him. You see me? And he say yes, and he work on it. Start make some transfer to Japan, whatever. And he buy the vehicle. So he do everything. You know, say I'm not first him I do it. That's how him do. My businessman. Ship off the vehicle. Couple months later, the vehicle is in Jamaica. You see me, and I'm so excited. I know say that's my first vehicle in a Jamaica I ever own. It's a good feelings, you know, I buy cash. I see pictures up to now, I don't really see the vehicle yet. So this vlog, when I go see the vehicle, you know, I get my reaction when I see the vehicle. You see me? More big up my friend Andre, you see me, aka Edbuck, big up yourself. Really youth. Thanks from day one, from basic school, or should I say from kindergarten for all the Americans watching our vlog, from kindergarten. We can just make one phone call to Andre get stuff done. More big up my friend too, Dwight from Kingston. You see me, big up yourself. You see me, you run around, you get the fitness done, because in Jamaica you have to do fitness when you have a license insure a vehicle. So Dwight do the fitness to me and Kerry go do was there for the evaluation. So big up yourself, Dwight. I can publicly say that because a lot of people, when people do good, then just take it like they may have to do good for you. No, I know some look on it. The moment you take a minute or a second out of your life and help me, I go show my appreciation. So Dwight, big up yourself, head back. Andre, big up yourself. Another big up, because when the vehicle come at the wharf and it ready to go pick up, I wasn't there, no one was there. I remember me have a cousin live at Portmore, and I call him and I say, yo, what go on, cuz? Actually, I met my cousin Dushy and call him. But when he connect the call on WhatsApp, I realize I have a number. And me and him start talking and I say, yo, you know, say, my vehicle out of wharf and nobody not there to pick you up, dog, at Kingston Wharf. The man look at me and say, yo, cuz, call my cousin, see him last name, big up yourself, Sherilyn. Me I give that official big up here, you see me? You do it and you take time out and you're busy there and you drive, go deal with it, pick up the key, and then you and Dwight meet up and give Dwight the key. So, yes, Sherilyn, big up yourself. When I call him and say, cause you know somebody like 5 minutes away from the wharf, and I say, Jaja, if God no good, you see me, God is very good. And him hold the key. So big up yourself, Sherilyn, cousin, we grew up together. Maybe we not chat every day, but guess what? Respect for that, you see me. More big up my little sister too, QQ. We can call upon you for any and everything. Big up yourself, my big sister Marsha. I'm not going into details. I love her like life itself. You see me, big up to my woman, Livy. One thing live when me come to make a decision, she support me 100. She never said, oh, what are you gonna do? Whatever, cause Livy trusts me over the years to make the right decision. So big up yourself, baby, I love you. Big up yourself, mommy. Feeling a fret. One day, if me I'll get the vehicle, you know how mother stay. Ian, big you do your thing. Me appreciate your fam. Never meet you face to face with chat. Your whole energy. You are good people, and I will never, I said this publicly, I will never go around your thing. Never. And I know say you do it practically and not even make no money upon it. You understand? Me know that. So yo, enough love. And guess what, guys? If you don't want to get a vehicle from Japan, you understand? Link me up. Me and Ian are going to go in a business. You feel me? You need good people when you get vehicle from Japan. When you import vehicle, Ian know it like a back of your hand. You see me? So if you don't want something there, vehicle from Japan, just link me up. Me and Ian will get on it. And him teach me the game. That's the thing what I really like about Ian. Him teach me the game. And he must say, bro, if I decide to do this, he must set me up so I can do it by myself. He teach me ins and out and the procedures and the steps. You know, just take my money and whatever. I can't call him right now and get him because he's a man when I sleep. You see me like myself. Right now at 1:43 in the morning and I go to the airport to go to Jamaica and like, I reach there 3 o'clock. I reach at 3 o'clock. You can always comment down below or follow us on Instagram. I'll put it right up here, sir. Inbox because you can get it quicker on Instagram. We just sort out some business and me and Ian can get a vehicle in Jamaica for no fee. Good price, if you know what I mean. You see me when I kill it like them other car man there. You understand me I say? But this is just the journey, guys. We work hard. We live we work hard to get this. We can't sleep because yes, me have car, but we never own a vehicle in Jamaica. The decision, what kind of vehicle did I get? I know say I'm not found and say, what kind of car that one done get? Let me tell you, in a life you have to know levels you want. You feel me? Don't use your last money or your one money and go buy something where you're not on that level. You see me? Me know the level where me depend some. When me buy, you know I go see. And when me continue, this is gonna be a series. So this is the kicking off what we are going in Jamaica. The type of vehicle when I'm gonna see, I'm gonna tell you why me and Livy choose to get this vehicle and some of our plans them what we have. So this is a series. We're not gonna get everything in this video, but we're gonna get a lot in this video. So as me say, Dwight, big up yourself. Andre, big up yourself. My two sisters, them, I love them. My mother and my father. Andre, Ian, all love. You understand? Ian is a person who keep information for himself. And he tell me a story, so when he start do it, somebody show him how to do it. So he will never be ungrateful or unfair and not show somebody how to do it. But for really and truly, good human being, should I say great human being, family man, in the road, all about him family. I'm a real people like that. You see me, cause some is here too. So guess what? Next part you know see me on the way to the airport. And me alone I go, but Livia drop me at the airport. You see me because I don't know see a business we are deal with. I don't know vacation thing. So stay tuned. This is gonna be a series. I'll see you guys in a few. And that's it. I'll get about an hour sleep now, maybe half an hour sleep before I go to the airport. You see me bed already, just come out of the shower. Because when I wake up, I just can put on some clothes and get ready. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm there. Just not too long wake up, put on my clothes. Remember me in shower last night. No one no cuts me, so I'm nasty. You see me? So I'm there. Wait for Libby upstairs. Okay, I'm going to the airport right now. It's a good look. It's very early in the morning. Stay tuned. Remember. Reach the airport now, and I'm extra early. I don't know why guys, but about 2 years ago me have a flight when miss me, and from that the hassle when I got through to get back on a flight, how much money me have to pay, I decide say from now on I not run no risk. I rather the airport 3 hours early. You see me, and wait, but the hassle you have to go through. So from that I said not again. So I always just guess what, wake up extra early because anything can happen on the road. But there the my gate I wait on the plane. You have about an hour and a half wait, but it's okay. I rather have an hour and a half wait than an hour and a half late. You see me? But pretty excited guys. It's like 4:46 in the morning, pretty early. Living gone back home, you understand? And we're just there. Anybody will watch that video here. One of my good friend travel and he catch pneumonia. I'm okay now. He catch pneumonia and he's saying things at the airport and pick you up. So guess what? When I travel, we know COVID not strong again, but guess what? Wear a disposable mask because there's a lot of germs in the air, you understand? Especially when you hear people cough and you don't know where them are, so just wear a mask, please. You see me? But anyway, I'm there chill me early and it's a good look. So journey with me, you see me? It's gonna be epic. Okay guys, so we're there. The flight aboard right now. You see it over there, so you see me, it's gonna be a good look. See I heard a prayer, I don't know say. So we run, you see me. So when we land at Jamaica, we make you know. On the plane we go. On the plane we go. Good morning.
Can you do it in Spanish?
Boarding is complete at this time.
Bus cellular service must turn off before takeoff. If you need help finding a place for your bags, please let us know. We're here to help.
If you're stated an emergency exit row, you may be called upon to help open the exit in case of emergency. If you're unable, unwilling, or feel like you may injure yourself by performing the functions described in the safety information card, please let an in-flight crew member know and we'll find you a different seat.
Jamaica seeing.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
Reach Jamaica. I eat some party. I drink something. I wait for my friend to come get me. They're at the airport, you see me. It was a quick flight, smooth flight. Jamaica just different, you see me. But stay tuned when my friend come pick me up and tell him what I go on. When I reach my location, I tell him what I go on. When I think some I drive go up, so him take a sad mistake. Andre, him late for me guys. I'm not gonna know. Him late to come get me. Out say him in a bus one quickie cause moms are complain from what they hear. Say I play too much football, like big ball man. There guys, on my way to the location, so stay tuned. Me a vlog and drive. Don't do this guys, it's not cool.
It's not to let me drive then.
Yeah man, I pull over right now making drive, so give me a few guys. Alright, next day guys, get the vehicle. I'm excited. They are my friend, day one. From me know him. So you know say a favor that. You see me. Andre, you see me. So guess what, we get the vehicle, I go now a full video tour, a full tour of the vehicle. I'm in it right now heading to Kingston from Ochi, you see me? We're going to get some security installation on it. You see me, because that's one of the priority. So the second day, look out for the tour. I'm excited, I'm very pleased with the vehicle. But there guys, they're on the toll road I go Kingston from Ochi. I'm going to show you when I install the, and when we get it installed, I'm going to know. You see me? But there man, it's a good feeling guy. I love the vehicle, it's very clean. I know so nice one like a glimpse sight to angle the toll road good. I have an appointment scheduled for do the tune up, change the plug them and all of that. Get back in a watch it after I come from Kingston. You see me? But it's a good look, guys. Pretty excited. You see me? And we are the road, so when we reach Kingston, we make you know here.
South Parade, then turn right onto West Parade.
Okay guys, so guess so with the Kingston we just done install, you see me, the security system, you see me, it's a good look. We have a dash cam inside too, it's a good look. Fully secure, we can't do anything with this vehicle, we can lock it down, we can do everything. You see me, it's a good look, I'm very pleased.
What are you doing with them?
So we'll get some feet, we'll top of one park store and head back to Ocho Rios.